Hey you guys, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, make sure you check that out. And if you want to see how I got my hairline like this, make sure you check that video out as well. Now I'm going to show you how I refresh my curls, so just stay tuned. So there you have it. That is how I refresh my curls. I just spray a little water on each section, and then I go through with my shampoo brush, and it just makes the curls come back and pop. And I do this kind of often. It just depends. I'm only using water, so if I was to use like an oil or a leave-in, then I would have to wash the unit more. But I like the results for just doing the water. So let me know in the comments if you refresh your curls with just water, or if you like to add like some product or something like that. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you haven't seen the makeup look tutorial and how I laid the wig down, then make sure you go check those videos out. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.